Hello, this is Alexander Cross, Criminal Defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area. If you'd like to learn more about criminal defense, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross & Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comments section below so that we may respond in the future with more videos for you. So, we received an interesting inquiry here on our YouTube channel. This has to do with somebody who wants to know about stalking. Is stalking domestic violence? Well, let's see here. I never hit my wife. The only thing I did was call her at work, saying that if I saw her with her supervisor, I would kill her. I yelled at her on the phone. I sent text to her, warning what would happen to her. And I watched her at work. One day, I was arrested with charges of domestic violence. Why, if I never hit her? You're technically correct. You shouldn't be charged with domestic violence. Oh, there's other charges, to be sure, but it shouldn't be domestic violence, because under Penal Code Section 243E1 or 273.5, you need at least an offensive touching. Oh, sure, if you impact her, that's definitely going to be domestic violence, but at the very least, there needs to be an offensive touching without consent or privilege. That's enough for you to be charged with domestic violence. But here, there shouldn't be a literal domestic violence charge. Of course, you're threatening to kill her, and if the victim believes that you have the capacity to do so and could imminently do it, sure, you could be charged with a violation of Penal Code Section 422, terrorist threats or criminal threats, felony that carries up to 4 years state prison. The other thing that you could be charged with is stalking, which carries up to 3 years state prison under Penal Code Section 646.9(c). If you keep going to her work and following her and hiding in closets and stuff like that, no. Those are no-nos. Stalking is a very serious offense here in the state of California. Judges tend to frown upon the stalking charge, so please avoid that altogether. But yeah, to answer your question, this should not be domestic violence. This should not be a 273.5 that requires actual physical contact. This should be more of a 422, which is criminal threats, and stalking, which, by the way, both of those charges combined are more serious than the domestic violence charge. So, I mean, I would, quite frankly, probably be better off to take that charge. Now, of course, when it comes to immigration issues, let's say you're not a U.S. citizen, domestic violence is something that is considered a crime of moral turpitude that would result in deportation, exclusion from denial of naturalization, that sort of thing. So you definitely want to avoid that domestic violence charge if you're not a U.S. citizen. Regardless, if you'd like to learn more about criminal defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross & Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comment section below so that we may respond in the future with more videos for you. But if you've been accused of a crime here in the San Francisco Bay Area and need representation, give us a call for a free consultation at 1-800-862-7677. Once again, 1-800-862-7677. Criminal lawyer, criminal lawyers, DUI lawyer, DUI lawyers, criminal attorney, criminal attorneys, DUI attorney, DUI attorneys.